The world's most advanced semiconductor chips rely on an extraordinary technology known as extreme ultraviolet lithography. This process makes it possible to print incredibly small features onto silicon wafers, enabling processors used in artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. EUV lithography also powers chips for smartphones and advanced scientific applications. One of the most remarkable components of an EUV system is its optical system. Unlike conventional optics, EUV light has a wavelength of only 13.5 nanometers and is absorbed by almost every material. As a result, traditional lenses cannot be used, and the entire optical path consists of ultra-precise mirrors operating in high vacuum. These mirrors are manufactured by Carl Zeiss SMT in Germany and represent some of the most precise optical components ever produced. Their surfaces are polished with atomic-level accuracy, with deviations measured in fractions of a nanometer. Each mirror is coated with more than 100 alternating layers of molybdenum and silicon to efficiently reflect EUV light. The performance of these mirrors directly determines the resolution and accuracy of the lithography process. Even microscopic imperfections would prevent the production of the smallest semiconductor structures. For this reason, German optical engineering plays a decisive role in the global semiconductor industry. The mirrors are integrated into EUV machines manufactured by ASML in the Netherlands. Together, these systems enable leading chip makers such as TSMC, Samsung, and Intel to produce the world's most advanced devices. EUV success shows how decades of research, precision engineering, and international collaboration made chips with tens of billions of transistors possible. Among these achievements, German-made EUV mirrors remain one of the most critical and impressive contributions to modern semiconductor manufacturing.